And you know the thing that I like about Bridget, she said, and she was so just dead on honest, because most of the time they won't say this. She said, I lost the drive for a bit, but I'm getting it back.
She also said, the closer I get to a really big event, like a World Championships coming up in October, the more focused I become. She's planning to compete. She's hoping to compete in the all-around, because there are very few that are competing in the all-around, and that's certainly a goal of hers.
Beautiful.
Wow.
It's a new skill for Bridget.
That was a finger tipper for sure.
So far, very strong exercise. Pretty good handstands. The judges are looking for height in the releases and in this.
Nice work. Wow.
There you go.